Site K12. Lovely little deluxe cabin, Fort Stevens State Park. I'm going to do a review, and if you have any questions that I don't answer, just leave them in the comments section and I'll be happy to get back to you if I can help at all. The deluxe cabin, we are in K12. If you have mobility problems, it is very accessible for a wheelchair. With the ramp, comes up, and nice patio area. So here's the barbecue area. Oh, there's Mark's in my video. He's just going off around to the fire pit. Now, it doesn't come with a lot of the amenities. It does come with furniture. So there is a futon that folds out, and it's got like a vinyl, quite a thick vinyl cover on it. Got the coffee table. This cabinet, don't know if we really use it, but there is a TV in there, and apparently a DVD player. Kitchen area, the only things that the kitchen area came with: the garbage can, the dish rack, microwave, and a good size fridge and freezer. So everything else we've bought with us, including a toaster oven, because there is no stovetop or anything. So we bought a little toaster oven, which has come in very handy. But you really have to bring everything from, you know, cutting boards to plates, everything else, kettle, bowls, everything else you have to bring yourself. A table with 4 chairs, and there are storage areas. So a longer one and a shorter one. Really, that's the only shelving space you have. And when we came, there were 3 plastic hangers in this area. So if you wanted to hang anything more, bring your own hangers. It does come with a broom. A futon, coffee table, TV stand. There's some storage on top of the TV stand that we're using. Kitchen area, table and chairs. Of course, they've got wide doors for wheelchair accessibility. And we come into the main bedroom. So basically it's a same thing. It had a foamy, which is about 5 inches thick, with a vinyl cover on it, top bunk and bottom bunk. But we have put, instead, oh, it's under here somewhere, anyway I won't go there, we've put our blow up mattress, which is a lot more comfortable. And again, not a lot of storage, living out of that suitcase. And then over on this side at the end of the bunks, just one shelf, a rack, and again there was only like 3 hangers. So you'd want to bring more hangers if you want to hang some stuff. The bathroom is off the main bedroom area. Again, nice wide door for wheelchair access. And a large bathroom, as you would expect, a toilet, a sink, mirror, and the shower. So shower head, places to hold on to, and a seat that can come down if you have issues with mobility. The only thing that the bathroom came with is toilet paper and a garbage can. So you have to bring everything else. And the only shelf in here is the one I'm pointing at right now. It's about 1 foot wide. It's got 3 hooks below it, and there's a hook right outside the shower as well. The only towel rack is the one between the sink and the toilet. And there are no cupboards. There is only one small shelf. Completely functional, but bring everything. Even bring the dish soap. Nice bench. Barbecue area. And quite a good spot over here. You could pitch a tent. You can actually pitch a tent on this side and even on this side. This one, the table and fire pit. And Mark. Now Mark does not come with the cabin.
And a lovely fire.
Oh, do we have a nice fire tonight?
It's going, yeah. Nice, not sparking or anything. It's perfect. Yeah. Slow burning.
Faces the green space. So we're quite private back here in K12. The cabin next door, I think, is K11 next door, Mark? That one there?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, so their fire pit is on the other side of their cabin, so we never see those people. And we've got quite big space around the fireplace. It's awesome. We can have a dance party back here if we want.
Yeah, K12 rocks.
The Fire Log TV station.